The keyring, as its name suggests, is a ring usually made out of metal that intends to hold your keys together. Today, it is very commonly accompanied by a metal, leather or plastic design that allows you to distinguish your keys from your partners. This is Desicons, and today we're going to walk you through the top 4 things you should probably know about this circular piece of metal. It all started in 1861. Inspired by his father's pin and tumbler lock inventions, Linus Yale Jr. patented a smaller, flat key with serrated edges that would end up changing the landscape of the modern keychain forever. With the wide adoption of this type of locks, the need to bundle their serrated counterpart keys all together led Herluf Gr to patent the first keyring in 1920. His patent covered an invention that was exceedingly simple to manufacture and absolutely dependable inasmuch as the keys cannot be unlocked from the ring as long as the same is suspended from a chain or hook. Even though we can still see Herluf Gr's keyring around, today's version of it differs a little bit. Known as the split ring, today's keyring version was invented by Samuel Harrison, and it tends to be made by a single piece of metal coiled in a double loop form. Its design allows for either end of the loop to be pried open, allowing for a key to be inserted and slid along the spiral until it becomes fully engaged onto the ring. However, no keyring is ever completed without a keychain and a key fob. Often acting as the bridge between their house keys and their latest traveling memories, keychains allowed people to connect their keys to something more meaningful than just a keyring. These items and memories are what we call today key fobs, and they intend to adorn people's keys to allow for easy self-identification. Key fobs can vary from product promotions, alarm tokens for homes, discount cards, USB flash drives, among others. Despite being a small, overlooked everyday product, keyrings are still sold and omnipresent alongside most of our keys. From its origins to its dependable sidekicks, predecessors and today's examples, these were the top 4 facts about the keyring that you were probably not aware of. And that's it for today's video, everyone. I hope you've enjoyed and learned something from it, and if you did, please leave us a like and subscribe to our channel. Make sure to turn that notification bell on and let us know in the comments section down below which products you would like to see featured in future videos. Thank you, and we'll see you on the next one.